Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a veggie fried rice and it's one of my favorite side dishes and I'm going to feature a product. It's by Globe Home and they sent me this frying pan to try it out. It's 10-inch frying pan and it's designed in USA and it has a very premium packaging. Look at this, it comes with the instruction card and the packaging is so premium. It's a 5-ply ceramic non-stick frying pan and it's a stainless steel clad and it's heavy built. It's compatible with all 5 cooking devices like induction, ceramic, gas, electric and halogen, and it has a beautiful engraved logo here and it's all stainless steel, so it's oven safe and dishwasher safe. It's very heavy built. So let's start our recipe. So I'm going to heat a teaspoon of oil, add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and fry some green chilies. Now you wanted to keep the flame high and then add some chopped cabbage, diced carrots and red bell pepper. You can add any veggies that you like. You can also add mushrooms. You can add broccoli, and then I'm adding some cooked rice. Now you wanted to cook everything on a high temperature. Black pepper and garlic paste, like chili garlic paste, and some sweet sauce. There is no measurement here, so you can add according to your preference. I added chili crisp for more spicy, and then stir and mix well. So you just wanted to toss because you don't want it to break the rice. So just toss it gently and look, the food doesn't stick at all to the surface. And then add salt to taste. And here our flavorful fried rice is ready. Look how yummy it looks. And it is so delicious, so simple to make, and food doesn't stick at all to this non-stick pan. And you can also make like a chilla and it doesn't stick at all. So I have a link in the description box. Do check it out and I'll see you guys with the next recipe. Till then, bye bye.